In this video, we listed the 5 best carpet cleaners on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. ZCWA W05 Handheld Carpet Cleaner. The ZCWA Spot Cleaner 15 kPa for 750W Handheld Carpet Cleaner Vacuum Cleaner is a versatile and powerful cleaning machine designed to effectively clean carpets and upholstery. This integrated machine offers efficient cleaning performance. It features a clear water tank capacity of 1080 ml and a dirty water tank capacity of 800 ml, ensuring thorough cleaning without the need for frequent refills. The machine operates at a rated voltage of 220-240V and a frequency of 50-60 Hz, with a power cord length of 3 for convenient use. Additionally, it is equipped with a big brush and small brush for varying cleaning needs, with suction water speeds of 400 ml per minute and 370 ml per minute respectively. The machine is designed with user convenience in mind, with a compact and lightweight design weighing between 3 to 6 kilograms, making it easy to maneuver. It also features a noise level of less than or equal to 80 dB, and is certified with CE and CB standards for safety and quality assurance. The ZCWA Spot Cleaner is a reliable cleaning solution for homes and businesses, offering powerful performance and efficient operation. Number 2. 20L Wet Dry Upholstery Carpet Cleaner. The product is a leather and upholstery cleaner with technical parameters including a rated voltage of 220V, rated frequency of 50 Hz, rated power of 1400W, a sewage tank capacity of 20 liters, and a clean water tank capacity of 3 liters. It comes with a 3-meter wire length and a 3-meter hose length. The item is categorized as a leather and upholstery cleaner and originates from mainland China. Please note that in case of any discrepancies, the actual parameters of the product take precedence. Number 3. Deerma P30 Floor Washing Machine. The Deerma P30 is a sterilization wireless washing machine with additional features like a self-cleaning mop and ambient cleaning. With a power of 160W and a maximum noise level of 80 dB, this model operates at a rotation speed of 68,000 RPM and offers a battery life of 30 minutes. Classified as an intelligent device, it features a double rolling brush for effective cleaning. The maximum suction power is 0 AW, and it has a sewage tank capacity of 600 ml. Manufactured by BISSELL in mainland China, the Deerma P30 is a versatile and efficient cleaning appliance suitable for various household tasks. Number 4. TINECO Steam Floor Washer. The TINECO FW30010 ECN is a vacuum cleaner designed for efficient cleaning and disinfection. Operating at 220V with a power of 230W and a maximum noise level of 78 dB, this model offers a maximum suction power of 30 AW and a 40-minute battery life. It features a smart design and a single roller brush floor scrubber type, with a 720 ml sewage tank capacity. The unit weighs 5 kg and comes in the Fuwan Station color classification. Additionally, it is equipped with a 90,000 RPM speed and is certified with CE. Originating from mainland China and bearing the brand name BISSELL, this vacuum cleaner is tailored for effective and convenient home cleaning. Number 5. TINECO Station Floor Machine. The floor scrubber with the model name SW20010 ECN from the brand TINECO is a powerful cleaning tool designed for efficiency and convenience. Operating at a voltage of 220V and powered by a 350W motor with a maximum noise level of 78 dB, this device offers a thorough cleaning experience. It comes with additional features such as sterilization, lighting, air drying, and mop self-cleaning, making it a versatile choice for various cleaning needs. Weighing 5 kg including the battery, it is equipped with a high-speed rotation of 100,000 RPM for effective dirt removal. The intelligent design ensures ease of use, with a battery life of 40 minutes for uninterrupted cleaning sessions. This floor scrubber is suitable for single roller brush cleaning on different floor surfaces, offering a maximum suction power of 30 AW. The sewage tank has a capacity of 700 milliliters, providing ample space for collecting dirt and debris during cleaning tasks. With its innovative features and reliable performance, the TINECO SW20010 ECN floor scrubber is a valuable asset for maintaining a clean and hygienic environment.